You're logging into your computer for the first time, and we want to take a moment to introduce you to how Trucell supports you and your business. At Trucell, we believe that IT should empower your work, not slow IT down. In this short video, we'll guide you through how to get support for your workstation and explain what we're doing behind the scenes to keep your systems reliable, robust, and secure. We see ourselves as an extension of your team, working alongside you to ensure your IT environment is seamless and stress-free. Our goal is to provide proactive, high-quality IT support so you can focus on what matters most, your business. A smooth IT experience isn't just about fixing issues, it's about preventing them before they impact you. Opening a support request is easy and the primary method of getting assistance with your computer. Each workstation we manage comes with the Trucell support tool. You can find it in your system tray at the bottom right of your screen. Simply right-click on the Trucell icon to access support options. From the system tray icon, you can select Help Request Form. The form will appear where you need to provide some details about the issue you need assistance with. You can also take screenshots by clicking on the plus symbol if you have an error message you need to document. Providing us with as much information as possible about your request will accelerate the remediation. After submitting a ticket, you will receive an email confirmation with your request details and ticket number. You can reply to this email at any time to provide updates or additional information. You can also track your ticket via the Trucell support portal, accessible from the system tray icon. If you don't know your login details, simply email support@trucell.com.au to request a welcome email. From the My Tickets page, you can check the status of your ticket, view any notes or feedback, and even close or update your request directly. Phone support is available at 1-800-316-529, but please note that a ticket must be created before calling. Phone support is typically reserved for urgent issues, such as business disruptions or outages. If a single computer or user is affected, please use the Help Request Form or support portal instead of calling. Trucell does more than just provide support. We're actively working in the background to ensure your system is secure, up-to-date, and running efficiently. We need your cooperation to ensure these proactive measures work effectively. From time to time, your system will request a reboot, which you need to press yes. The request will pop up again every hour if you press no, and on the 8th request, the system will force a reboot. At Trucell, our mission is simple: to ensure your IT systems are reliable, robust, and secure. We are committed to partnering with you to create a smooth and efficient IT experience. To achieve this, we need you to work with us, report issues promptly, follow security guidelines, and allow our team access to your systems from time to time for maintenance. Together, we can make IT hassle-free. If you ever need assistance, remember to use the Trucell support tool in your system tray. Our team is here to help.